गर्ल्स किधर जाओ भाई, बॉयज इधर से आ जाओ बेटे। As we discussed in chapter Abdul in the garden, Abdul was working in his garden and he is removing the grass from the vegetables. These are the weeds which he was removing. When he removed this weed, he found it is very difficult to remove. Why? When he was removing these weeds, he found it is very difficult to remove from the soil. Why?
Sir.
Just try. Sit down, beta. Here some grass. You have to remove it. And is it difficult to remove?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Why? Why this is difficult to remove? Hey. तो रिमूव करना डिफिकल्ट क्यों है भाई? बताओ बेटा। अंदर जमीन में काफी नीचे तक गई हुई है, इसलिए डिफिकल्ट है। स्प्रेड आउट इन द सोयल। The root of the grass is spread out in the soil. So it is very difficult to remove the weeds or grass from the vegetable or fruits. Sit down. Sit. Come here, baby. Come this side and sit. Try to remove this grass from the ground.
Sir, ये बहुत hard है.
It is easy.
No, sir. Difficult.
Removing grass from the ground is found difficult. Now, okay.
भाई मैंने मेरी साइड निकाल दिया. ये भाई कितना निकाल? अरे
Okay, stop beta, stop. Now we have one stick. You have to try to remove it from the ground. Come here. Ramesh, come here.
रमेश को बुलाया भाई.
Try to remove it. Remove the stick. Is it easy or difficult? Grass. Why grass is difficult to remove from the ground? Yes, the roots of the grass is spread out in the ground. बेटा इधर आ जाओ. Okay बेटा, what is this? Yes, this is lemon grass. What is use of it? We can make tea from this grass. The use of this is to making tea. चाय बनाने में बेटा हम इसका यूज करते हैं. You can smell it.
लेमन की खुशबू.
Yes.
सर लेमन की खुशबू.
Grass is lemon grass. It smells very good. It smells like lemon. Fine. हिंदी में आप इसको बेल भी बोलते हैं. नो. This is lemon tree. Now it's plant. After some months it will be a tree. This is has, it smells very good also. It has some flowers also. You can see the birds and the flowers, leaves. Come here. You can flowers, leaves, stem.
काट दी खर्चा उसकी।